Right, greetings, welcome all of you to the paper discussion. Today we are going to have another brand new paper, second paper, right? Last week we finished the first paper completely. Today we are going to have the second paper. All right, so I think we are going to discuss our second model paper set, right? 2.1, that means, sorry, first paper, first part over. First paper, second part is also over. Second paper set, the first part is over. Today we are going to talk about the second paper, second part. In the first, සුදු පාට ලියන්න. Paper 1, part 1 finished, and part 2 is also finished. And paper 2, part 1 finished, and today we are going to discuss part 2. This is what we are going to discuss today. Right. මේ paper එක already last week අපි upload කරානේ නේද? ඒක කරපුවා තුසන්න බලන්න. මම බලන් ඉන්නේ. Video එක off කරනකොට මම බලන් ඉන්නේ. Okay. Atusan 1 has done already. Who else finished it? Well, who else finished it? What? ඒක තමයි දෙන්නම් දාලා. Question. Nations. Two people have done already. Anita, මේ පරීක්ෂාම ලියන්න ඇයි ළමයිනේ. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. So this is the paper. Meeting in the paper. Right, this is the paper. Right. What does Fatima say? Fatima මොකද කියන්නේ? I joined today, sir. Huh? Didn't know we had to do a paper. So is it your first class? Really? Okay, fine. So actually we uploaded this. Seriously, you might be in another platform. Fine. So these papers are given to you, right? These papers are already given to you. So your duty is to do this alone. Then now we are going to start the discussion. But anybody has not done this yet, no problem. Just look at this. Nikam balangin. Film එකක් දිහා බලනවා වගේ බලන් ඉන්න. නළුවෙක් උගන්වනවා කියලා හිතාගන්න. Simple. And try to do this alone. Right? තනියම පහු කරන්න. Well. Fine. Number one, Nations Savings Bank. NSB කියලා දෙමුත් intellectual violate වෙනවනේ නේ. Nations Savings Bank is a bank which obtained AAA credit rating. What are the benefits of a financial institution organization could obtain through high credit ratings? First of all, tell me what is a credit rating agency? Credit rating agency කියන්නේ මොකක්ද ළමයි? Just look at this. A credit rating agency is a thing like this. Now, now it seems good. Nice. Credit rating agencies like this. Now you know that various institutions are there in the financial market. Various institutions are there in the financial market. Various institutions are there in the financial market. So people want to invest their funds. These are investors. Right? They have money. They want to invest these funds in various institutions. But before giving their funds to these institutions, they need to have a confirmation about the repayment ability of these institutions. Before giving them a loan, right? So they should have a verification about these institutions, whether to have their repayment, to have their investment or expect a return back. Right? මේ මිනිස්සු මේ ඉන්ස්ටිටියුට් වල සල්ලි දාන්නේ නැහැ. රිටර්න් එකක් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. මෙයා තමයි සල්ලි දාන්නේ. මේක තමයි ඩිපොසිට් කරන්න දෙන්නේ. Right? These are financial institutions maybe or companies. Right? These people want to buy shares in this company. This person wants to buy debentures in this company. This person wants to invest his funds in this fixed deposit in this bank. So these people are going to invest their funds in these institutions. So they should have a guarantee about the security of their funds before investing. ඉතින් මෙයාගෙන් අහලා කිව්වොත් එහෙම දැන් මේ ඉන්නේ මම මට ඕනි මං ගාව තියෙන සල්ලි 5 million මේක ඉන්වෙස්ට් කරන්න. So how can I trust this business? Whether they will repay my loan or investment with return? How do I make sure? මං කොහොමද දැනගන්නේ? I need a third party recommendation. They will always tell the positive things about their business නේ. එයාලා කියන්නේ තමන්ගේ business එක ගැන දේවල් විතරයි. Therefore I need a third party assurance which tells the investors of the profitability of their money being repaid. Yeah. Now we need to have a third party recommendation. So this is third party recommendation. මෙන්න මෙහෙම කට්ටියක් ඉන්න පැත්තක institutions වගේ. We would call them as credit ratings. මේක central bank එකේ තමයි coordinate කරන්නේ. Agencies. These agencies evaluate these institutions and they will give a complete report for these people about their repayment ability. එතකොට ඔයා 5 million දාන්න කලින් ඔයා මෙන්න මෙයාගෙන් අහන්න ඕන, is it okay of investing in this particular company? මෙයා එයාගේ 8 million දාන්න කලින් අහන්න ඕන. කාගෙන් දාන්නේ? මෙයාගෙන් තමයි අහන්න. Right? Is it okay if I invest my 8 million in business B? Right? මෙයා තමන්ගේ 3 million දාන්න කලින් අහන්න ඕන. එයාගෙන් is this bank okay to invest my 3 million as FD? මෙයා හරියටම දෙයි කියනවා. because this is not a private company. These agencies actually may be private limited, but I mean, blessed by central bank, governed by central bank, monitored by central bank. Central bank තමයි මේවා monitor කරන්නේ. ඒවා තමයි හොඳ මේවා. මෙයා කියනවා you can invest here no problem. We give them a triple A ratings. Triple A කියන්නේ very good business. They will definitely pay your due balances back. They are very strong enough. Right? But sometimes මෙයාට කියයි මෙයාගේ සල්ලි දාන්න එපා. මෙයා double C මට්ටමේ ඉන්නේ. කියන්නේ their repayment ability is very low. That means there is a huge risk of your investment, and make sure with the before you invest your funds. All right. Okay. Right. Okay. Fine. Okay. So, what are the examples for these credit rating agencies? One of the main agencies තියෙන්නේ. Number 1, එකක් තමයි Fitch. වෙන වැහුවොත් ගණන් ගන්න එපා. Fitch කියලා මම කිව්වේ. හරි භයානකයි මේ වචන කියවන එකත්. Fitch ratings Lanka private limited කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා මෙහෙම agency එකක්. තව තියෙනවා RAM ratings කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. RAM ratings. තව තියෙනවා Standard and Poor's. තාගත්න ගෑනලා මේ කලබල වෙන්න එපා. What is this? Not Moody's, but Moody's. Moody's. These are some of credit rating agencies which are globally recognized. Right? They are globally recognized group agencies. They are governed by central bank. Fine. Prime Fitch. Sure. You know this name. Very good. බලන්නකො දක්ෂ ළමයි ඉන්නවනේ මේවා දන්නවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. Yeah. If you want, you better make a draft. Draft එකක් දාගන්න. Fine. Okay. Right, now let's go for the answers. You are asking, Nations Savings Bank is a bank which obtained AAA plus credit rating. What are the benefits a financial organization could obtain through high credit rating? High kind of UDA ratings, AAA, AAA+ වගේ ඒවා, right? What are the advantages? These are the answers. ඔයාලට ලියාගන්න පුළුවන්, right? Number 1, improve the reputation of the financial institute. Of course මේක වෙනවනේ නේ. ඒක හොඳ business එකක්, ඔයා සල්ලි දාන්න කියලා කියනවා. Number 2, financing makes easier. Financing makes easier. Number 3, less finance cost. Again, ability of setting a less interest rate. Increase the flow of deposits to banks. Last one, legal requirements of taking a credit rating is completed. මේ වගේ වාසි තියෙනවා. Improve the reputation, finance makes easier, less finance cost, increase the flow of deposits, legal requirement of taking a credit rating is completed. ටක් ගාලා ලියාගන්න. Once you finish writing, just raise your hand and let me know, then we're going to go for the next question. Fine. I think you've done it, right? कर लेते मटे ही देने अभी हम स्टार्ट screenshots कहाँ बरोड इन्ने भाव और लिया ना. Fine. Let's go for next. मैं excited hand बोल रहा हूँ. Briefly explain the main objective of Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Right, number one. Number one, the Megalith Banking Act के आंसर के लिए syllabus से क्या पढ़ना है? Your the answer which is given in your syllabus is actually is old. It's expired now because the syllabus prepared at 2017 because that was implemented for 2019 batch, right? But the Banking Central Bank Act has been changed in 2023. Mangalut में act का वार्ड देना act के एक महीने में लिया करने मैं कहता हूँ मैं तो नहीं हार पाड़ा कराना उन्हें. Right, a topic objectives of central bank. Number one, Liana, the primary object of the central bank, the primary object of the central bank the primary object of the central bank the primary object of the central bank shall be to achieve and maintain domestic price stability domestic price stability domestic price stability. Number two, the other object आलूत में क्या दिया आलूत में क्या नहीं देखा आलूत देखा सेंट्रल बैंक वाला गूगल लेके सर्च करना 2023 सेंट्रल बैंक एक्ट केला है कि मैं मेहमा दिया वरना पेज नंबर का क्या ना होला බලන්න पेज नंबर 3 වල තියෙන the other object of the central bank shall be to secure the financial system stability Okay, let's go for next. To A. State four differences between loan and an overdraft. What is a bank loan? This is a financial facility obtained by people or businesses uh, for a long-term bond with a small interest. It's obviously a non-current liability. But overdraft, it's a short-term facility and it takes a high interest by banks. And the other thing is, bank loans, to have a bank loan, having a current account or whatever the account is not essential. But to have an overdraft facility, obviously you have to have a current account, otherwise you won't give it. Understood? So these are some more differences. Okay, let's go ahead. So if you are required to write some differences, right? If you are required to write some differences, if you want, you can draw a table and you can build up some answers. Then this examiner can easily find out what you have written, like this. There are so many answers, not only four. Look at this. Just read together. Then you can write alone. Loan. Look at this loan. ලියන්න කලබල වෙන්න එපා. ඉස්සෙල් මේක answers ටික කතා කරලා ඉන්න ඕන. Loan. Obtaining a specific amount for a specific period. Loan එකක් ගන්න specific period එකකට for 5 years, 10 years, 3 years, 2 years, like that. Again, that depends on the requirement and the amount and the capacity of the repayment. Fine. But overdraft obtained based on the need of the client for a shorter period of time. In accounting, it's a current liability. This is a non-current liability. Number two, can obtain from banks and non-banking institutions. එකන loans දෙනවා non-banking institutions වලින් උනත්. That means from the financial finance companies වලට loans ගන්න පුළුවන්. But overdraft are provided only by commercial banks. Can obtain by a person who has a current account in commercial bank. Next one. Should bank loan should pay back the loan with the interest in the installment basis. හැම මාසෙම ගාණක් specific amount එකක් ගෙවන්න. හැබැයි මේක එහෙම නැහැ. There is no such interest or installment. Right? Specific එකක් නෙවෙයි තියෙන්නේ. Loan is provided for a specific activity. When you are going to have a loan, they are asking the purpose of having the loan. What is the loan requirement? You have to set that. You have to tell it. Otherwise, they won't give. But overdraft එහෙම ඕනේ නැහැ. No need of specific activity of overdraft. සල්ලි හදිසියක් වුණා overdraft එකක් කියලා එච්චරයි. Loan, obtaining a loan is costly, but overdraft low cost. Loans, interest rate is comparatively low. Overdraft interest rate is comparatively high. Loan, need a collateral. Overdraft, no need a collateral. Collateral කියනවා the security, apple. Right? Loan එක ගන්න ඒවා ඕනේ. Overdraft වලට ඕනේ නැහැ. But overdraft වලත් එක type එකක් තියෙනවා මොනවද? Permanent overdraft වලට එකක් ඕනේ. Okay. Loans are long term. Overdraft are short term. Loans interest is calculated based on the amount of the loan. Overdraft interest is calculated based on the amount used. OD එකක් දුන්නට බෑ use වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? Okay, දැන් ටක් ගාලා මේක ලියගන්න. ඉවරච්ච ගමන් මට අත උස්සලා කියන්න. Yeah. When they are to distinguish, we can write this comparable. So bank overdraft has two types. So are they both non-current liabilities? No, both of them are current liabilities. Right? Both of them are current liabilities. Actually, we have two different overdrafts. Number one, temporary overdraft. Number two, permanent overdraft. Temporary overdraft are lesser than 3 months. Permanent overdraft lesser than 1 month. Both of them are current liabilities. Understood? But bank loans, all of them are non-current liabilities. Okay? Both of these overdrafts are current liabilities. Temporary one is less than 3 months. Permanent one is less than 1 year, but both of them are less than 1 year. That means both of them are current liabilities. Sir, they are telling they will postpone the exam, will they? 23rd, actually, we can give the exact answer for this. Not today. 23rd, the Court of Appeal will declare their opinion. We have to get ready for both. Sometimes it might be getting postponed, but not for 2-3 months, right? Maximum 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So it's a bonus for you to make some questions. But don't expect that, right? Get ready for the exam at 10th. If they postpone in any chance, then let's have some bonus papers. So your suggestion, like your percentage will be postponed. Are you finding a mental relief? Are they going to postpone? Don't know. No comments. Don't know. ඔයාලද මගේමුත් කියවගෙන පොඩි හිත හදා ගන්න ඕනේ නේ. සරුත් කිව්වා නෙන්න හදරට විදාගම එක්කෝ. No, no, I don't know. If they postpone that, I will give you a special plan to revise everything from the beginning, all 3 subjects. If the exam has been postponed, don't forget to send me a message. I will teach you what to do, how to revise everything from the beginning. අපිට සින්දුවක් අහන්න ඕන සර්ගේ. I can't sing, seriously. Who said that I can sing? අපිට සින්දුවක් අහන්න ඕන සර්ගෙන්. I don't know how to sing. මට සින්දු කියන්න බෑනේ. We saw where? කවුද ඔයාලට බොරුව කිව්ව කෙනා? In a live class? Seriously? How do you come to my live class? I saw a video of you singing on YouTube. Seriously? Who is paparazzi? We saw a video. බොරුව ළමයි මම වගේ වෙන කෙනෙක්. Exam postpone වුණොත් සින්දුවක් කියන්නම් ඈ. නැත්තම් බෑ. If the exams get postponed, I will definitely sing for you. කට. What is fiscal and monetary policy is confusing. අනේ කිසි confusion එකක් නැහැ පුතා. ඒක ඔක්කොම කියලා තියෙනවා. short notes ටිකක් ආපහු දෙන්නම් ඔයාලට. ඔයාලට short notes තියෙනවද? ඒක දෙන්නද ඔයාලට? හැබැයි PDF තමයි තියෙන්නේ. අවුලනේ සර්ස් වෙන්න. හරි short notes ටිකක් කියවන්නම්. okay මෙහෙම කරන්නකෝ. කොහොමද කරන්න වැඩි? ඒව තාම ෆයිනලයිස් වෙන ගමන් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට මම මේව යවන්නම්. මෙන්න මේ නම්බරේට මැසේජ් එකක් තියන්න ඔයාලට ඒව ටික ඔයාලට WhatsApp කරයි ඈ. අපේ ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාසස් ඉන්න ළමයි ඕනේ නැහැ. ඔයාලට කොහොමත් ඒව හම්බ වෙනවනේ. අනිත් ළමයි මෙන්න මේකට මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න. මේක මගේ මැනේජර්ගේ නම්බර් එක. යාවලට රිප්ලයි කරන්න. මේකට දාන්න මැසේජ් එකක්. ඔයා මොකේ ළමෙක්ද කියලා දාන්න. IMA ළමෙක්ද? අපේ බ්‍රේන් බූස්ටර් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකේ ළමෙක්ද? කියලා මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්නකෝ. ඔගේ නේම් එකත් එක්ක. Then he will send you all the mind maps and short notes. PDFs ටික වල තියයි. but අද නෙවෙයි තව සතියක්වත් දෙන්න මට. කියන after 20th. after 20th තමයි එවන්න වෙන්නේ. මොකද අපි ෆයිනල් සෙමිනාර්ස් වල මේක දෙන්න යන්නේ. දැන් තමයි හදන්නේ. හදගෙන ඉගෙන ෆයිනලයිස් කරන්න. සෙන්ට්‍රික්ස් or science image ළමයි මේකට මැසේජ් කරන්න එපා. ඔයාලට කොහොමද මේව හම්බ වෙනවා? අනිත් ළමයි දාන්න. නෑ දැන් දාන්න. 20th වලින් පස්සේ whatever. දැන් දාලා තියෙනවා. okay. Right now, let's go for the answers. Once you finish it, just raise your hand, then we can go for the next question. You, Krishan sir, can sing nicely. එයාට කියන්නේ සින්දුවක් කියන්නේ කියලා. Sir කියන්නේ මේ සින්දුව කියන්නේ කියලා දන්නවද? He is very good at one song. I think that should be the only song that he know. දන්නවද? What is the Chamaragiri singer song? In every occasion, he sings that. මොකද්ද? What is that song? If anybody knows, remember. මතක යන්න ඔබේ. මතක යන්න ඔබේ. Ask Krishan sir to sing මතක යන්න ඔබේ. Right. අදරත් මම ඔබගේ පළමු පෙම්වතා. He might be always singing about his ex or something, I don't know. He's very good at singing that song. Okay, ask him to sing. Okay, shall we go for the next? Ammo, no need. ඒක අහලා එපා වෙලාද? He enjoys it really well, right? I have seen so many times that when he was singing that, in every occasion, he enjoys it really well. It's really good, ne? If you want to inspire someone else, firstly you have to inspire by yourself. Yeah, මාර්ගදරක enjoy කරන ඇස් දෙක පියාගෙන. He sings so nicely. Okay, fine. Right, shall we go for next? Alright, you wrote nice. මං ඊළඟට යනවා. ඔන්න screenshot එකක් ගහගන්න. ඒව ලියාගන්න ඒකද. Right, let's go for next. Okay. What is meant by telebanking? State 4 advantages of telebanking. Telebanking. Right? It's also a practical phrase. Telebanking. බලන්න telebanking කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා. This is telebanking. This refers to the banking via telephoning from home or from an organization. This system enables the customer to settle an electricity bill, water bill, telephone bill or some other payments through his account at a bank or at a financial institution. This refers to the banking via telephoning from the home or from an organization. ගෙදර හරි ඔෆිස් එකේ හරි ඉඳන් ටෙලිෆෝන් එක යූස් කරලා යාට පුළුවන් banking activities කරන්න. බැංකුවට යන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. This system enables the customer to settle an electricity bill, water bill, telephone bill or other payments through his account at a bank at a financial institution. Advantage of telebanking මොනවාද? Can check the account balance. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ mobile app එක ගන්න කියන්නේ. Exchange money between accounts. Services on credit cards, cancelling of check payments and request new checkbooks, can obtain information on different services provided by bank, interest rates, exchange rates, etc. Write this, please. මේක ලියලා අත උස්සන්න බලන්න. Firstly define the concept, then write the advantages separately. No, no, not an app. It's telephone banking. Okay. Shall we go for next? How that you have done it? Otherwise, you're just wasting time. Dylan deposits his monthly earning only in a savings account. State for disadvantages of savings accounts. Right? When compared to what? When compared to current account, savings account, no, current account, fixed deposit, like that. Oh, any other investment like treasury bill, treasury bonds, commercial paper, shares, like that. Right? What are the disadvantages of depositing or saving money in a savings account? Interest is comparatively low when compared to fixed deposit, right? And if he opened a current account, he can have a lot of benefits like checkbook facilities, standing order payments, direct remittance, like that. Right? These things can be having, but if you open a savings account, he cannot have all these, right? Ramanathan. Risk yang ko matadu ini. You got this. Interest for saving account is less than the fixed deposit. Can't transact with checks like current accounts, can't obtain overdraft facilities like a current account, do not receive a bank statement like a current account. Have a statement and then humble. But come on, if you wrote something else, please tell me. We can evaluate. Why screen is not clear? Seriously? Screen is clear now. Okay, fine. Let's go for next question. Purpose of crossing a check is to prevent paying money for it at the counter. State 4 advantages for a drawer by crossing a check. Yeah, crossing means what? Drawing two parallel lines across the face of the check. Right? What do you expect by crossing? Preventing from the payment from the counter. So how would they pay for the cross check? How does the banker pay for the cross check? He has to give money to the person through his account. That means we are not just handing over cash to him. That particular amount which is stated on the check should be deposited to the particular bearer's account. So he has to get through the account. ඒතර වැරදි කෙනෙක්ගේ account එකට යන්නේ නැහැ නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන්. right ඒක හොඳ දෙයක්. හොඳ එකක්. හොරෙක් ආවත් හරි කෙනාගේ account එකට තමයි සල්ලි යන්නේ. Advantages for drawer of crossing checks. check එක cross කරන එක advantages මොනවාද? කියන්නේ මේ තියෙන ලස්සන දේවල් ටික. Number 1, can find who cashed the check. සල්ලි ගත්තේ කවුද බලන්න පුළුවන්. If payment has to be stopped due to some fraud or other reason, there is a longer period to do so than it is a case of bearer check. If payment has to be stopped due to some fraud or other reason, there is a longer period to do so than it is case of a bearer check. කියන පොඩි කාලයක් යනවනේ සල්ලි ගන්න. ඒ කාලේට අග්ගලා ස්ටොප් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි කෑෂ් එකක් යනනම් එයා සල්ලි කවුන්ටර් එකෙම ගන්නවා. The special protection offered to the drawer by a not negotiable crossing. Right, by a not negotiable crossing වලින් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Special protection. Not negotiable. ඒ කියන්නේ the transferee doesn't have a perfect autonomy than the transferor. Number 1, ease of financing management since it is deposited to the account after the realization. පොඩි බ්ලර් එකක් තියෙනවානේ. Now okay. Is it okay now? Try this and raise your hand once you finish it off. Okay, let's go for next. Text speed demo pilyan. 5. State the difference between insurance broker and insurance agent. Insurance broker links with insurance industry. Insurance agent is working for a company. Insurance agent, a person who has registered along with the insurance insurer or with the insurance broker as an agent working for commission can be named as agent. An insurance agent cannot have any connection with more than one company. Insurance agents introduce benefits for the insurance and motivate to obtain insurance policies and assist them to obtain the policies of them. දැන් අපි ගාවට එන්නේ එක එක insurance වල කට්ටිය Softlogic, Sri Lankan Insurance, AIA, එයාලා කියන එයාලා ඒකේ වැඩ කරනවා කියලානේ. එයාලා කවුද? The insurance agents. Brokers ලා කියලා කියන්නේ කවුද? They are working for the insurance industry, right? A registered person at the insurance board to carry on the intermediary service between the insurer and insured, to engage the insurance between and reinsurance for consideration of brokerage or commission is known as insurance broker. Oh, seriously? Okay, write this faster. නැත්නම් මේක screenshot එකක් ගන්න. Okay, fine. Let's go for next. This one may be really good. Briefly explain how the compensation will be given under overinsurance and underinsurance for full and partial loss separately. මේක ඉතාම හොඳ එකක්. තාම මේක එකක් අහලා නැහැ, but මේක ඇහුවොත් ඔයාලා මෙහෙම ලියන්න. Let me draw you a short note for this. මේ බලන්න short note එකක්. Now let's get to things like this. One is under insurance. Other one is over insurance, that or excess insurance. Right? Under insurance means the value of the asset is 100. The insured value is 80. Over insurance means asset value is 100. Insured value is 120. 120. Okay. These are the differences. Okay, I will show you. Give me a little time. Under insurance means insuring the asset less than the real value of the asset. Understood? Insuring the asset less than the real value of the asset. So in this vehicle, real value is 100, but insured value is only 80. ඒ කියන්නේ 100 valued asset එකක් තියෙනවා, but අපි insurance කරන්නේ අඩු value එකකට විතරයි. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කියනවා policy එක දාන්න only for 80. We are paying only for 8 right now. Right, but over insurance means, or excess insurance means, insuring the asset more than the asset value. More than the asset value. Right? So these two possibilities can be seen. Now, tell me why people used to do under insurance. Why some people used to do under insurance? Under insurance means they are obtaining a policy valued 80 million. This is 100 million, 80 million. So if he obtain a policy valued lesser than the asset value, his premium he has to pay for the asset is lesser, limited. If he got a policy for the 100 million itself, he has to pay some specific amount. But if he gets a policy less than the real value, then he has to pay only a small amount. Insured value අපි insurance company given monthly value monthly or annually value but මෙතන you have to pay more, right? Why people used to do under insurance? Because to minimize their insurance premium or insurance installment. Premium එක අඩු කරන්න තමයි එහෙම කරන්නේ. එහෙම යාළුවට පොඩි වාසියක් වෙනවා. පොඩි ගාණක් ගෙවන්න ඕනේ. Right? ඒක යාළුවට financially පොඩි support එක, relief එක. And you know that insurance is a legal requirement. Otherwise people don't get insurance policies. Right? Insurance is a legal requirement. නැත්නම් මිනිස්සු ගියරත් ඕක ගන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Government එක අනිවාර්ය කරලා තිනවා. නැත්නම් ඔයාලට revenue license එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. ඒ නිසා මිනිස්සු බයට ගන්නවා. ඒකත් හොඳයි. Right? මේ මොකද කරලා තියෙන්නේ? Why people are paying more than the requirement? ඇයි මේ ඉල්ලම් කරන්නේ මිනිස්සු? එහෙම දෙන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට. Why do these people pay more than the requirement? Number one, to get tax benefits. Tax benefits. That means from your total income, you have to deduct some allowed expenses, and for the remaining balances, you have to pay income tax to the government. When you pay a lot of amount, your income tax burden is lesser. Income tax amount support. And also, insurance companies will give priority for these people. Insurance company given one. Damage එකක් වුණා මුළු මුදලම ගෙවන සමහර අඩු කරගෙන ඉන්නේ බොරුවට අපේ අනිත්‍යවට වගේ. හරි ඔන්න ඕක තමයි definition එක. හරිද ළමයි? Right, now let's go for this. මේ මෙතන. Now partial damage occurs. Partial damage එකක් වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ asset value එක 100 damage එක වෙනවා අපි හිතමුකෝ damage is 40 partial damage එක 40 right that means the value of the asset is 100 damage is 40 වාහනේ හැප්පෙනවා but මුළු වාහනේම damage වෙන්නේ නැහැ කොටසයි damage වෙන්නේ ඒ කොටස තමයි 40 කියලා කියන්නේ 40 now tell me under the under insurance how much can you take how much can you compensate what insurance company කියක් ගෙවයිද මේ 40ම ගෙවයිද මේ lakhs කියලා හිතන්නකෝ 40 lakhs මොකට දීද වාහනේ හදාගන්න කියලා will they give you 40 lakhs yes or no will they give you 40 lakhs will they give you the full damage under the under insurance yes or no who says yes 40 lakhs will be given who says no 40 lakhs දෙන්නේ නැහැ වාහනේ හදාගන්න raise your hands if you say no 1 okay then how much would you give දෙන්නේ කොටසයි මේ asset value is 100 insured value is only 80 and if the damage is 40 you are given only 32 only 32 only 32 right asset value is 100 insured value is only 80 so that means you are insured only 80% from the asset then you are given from the damage only a part this 40 is damage ne me damage එක වාට දෙන්න only 32 understood you are given only 32 that's fair enough fair under the over insurance how much would you be given වාට කීයක් දෙනවද මේ බලන්න asset value 100 insured value 80 me asset value 100 insured value 120 damage is only 40 then වාට කීයක් දෙනවද then how much will you be given to fix your asset කියන බලන්න
40.
how much will you be given 48 never 48 will be given who says this is correct who says this is correct yeah this is not correct this is incorrect why damage is 40 but you received 48 it's not a damage it's a blessing then why from the damage you have an 8 lakhs profit right 8 lakhs profit ඔයාලා තව බයික් එකක් තරම් එතන ගියා කියන්නේ ෂෝක් නේද ඇක්සිඩන්ට් එක සල්ලි නැතන් ටක් ගාලා වාහනේ අර පප්ප ගන්නවනේ ඇයි damage is 40 but you can have 48 no if you have like this which insurance principle will be violated මොකද violate වෙන්නේ which principle is violating which one is violating කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ අප මේ ළමයි ගොළු ළමයි ටික කරම මම යෝග කරන්නේ yes it's indemnity indemnity man indemnity fine right therefore you can't have 48 you can have only 40 40 විතරයි ගන්න වෙන්නේ. This is called indemnity. That means what is indemnity? Indemnity says that no any insured can earn profit. No any insured can earn profit. Right? So insured is paid compensation only to bring the asset to the previous condition. Right? He is given only to bring the asset to the previous condition. එච්චරයි නේ. Well, now let's go for the full damage. In full damage, that means damage is 100. Asset value is 100. It's fully condemned. Then the full damage is 100. Now tell me, under the underinsurance, how can you have, or how can you have from this? How can you have? Yes. Can you have all 100?
80.
Very good. You can have only 80. May 80 විතරයි වට හම්බෙන්නේ. Only 80. Not the full 100. Why? It's under insurance. In over insurance, how much would you have?
100.
100. Sure. 100 හම්බෙන්නේ. 100 or 120? You are having insured value or real value? You are having insured value or real value?
Insured value.
So if there was contribution, wouldn't they give compensation according to the? No, darling. This says that contribution means few more companies are contributing to the loss. එහෙනම් එකම asset එක tank එකක insurance එකක් තියෙනවා. Dual insurance වගේ. ඒකයි මේකයි වෙනස්. Insured value or real value? None of these. Insured value එකක් නෙවෙයි real value එකක් නෙවෙයි කියවන්නේ. ඔයාලට කියවන්නේ market value. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. Market value එක තමයි කියවන්නේ. මේ විතරයි. Market value of the vehicle is 110 නම් ඔයාලට කියවනවා 110 ම. Understood? හැබැයි if the market value is 150, will they pay you 150? No. එහෙනම් මොකද කියවන්නේ? Market value එකයි insured value එකයි අරගෙන which value will they pay? Which value? The lesser value. Lesser value තමයි කියවන්නේ. Lesser value they will pay. That is a complete. Yeah.
If we pay like 100, not over or lesser, then we get only the insured amount. Is it?
No, I mean you can have 120 if the market value is more than that. It does not violate indemnity. Why? Because insured value, I mean the vehicle asset value is 100, but you paid for 120, so you deserve to get 120. Understood?
No, I mean if I paid 100, I will get only the market value. No, sorry, the insured value.
You're asking neither under or over, you are getting only 100.
Yes. If I paid only 100, then I'm getting only the yes.
Yeah, then you can have only the 100. Yes. It's not coming under O insurance. Okay. But here you are paying only for 18, then you can't have 400. But here Although the asset value is 100, you are paying for 120. So you deserve to get 120, no problem. But if the market
That means
value,
it's up to 120 we can go, not more than that.
no, that means if the market value is 110, you can't have 120. Understood? Because you have
Understood.
depreciated the asset. That's
Understood.
why, right? If the market value is 80, then you can have only 80. If the market value is 50, you can have only 50. But if the market value is 150, then you can go maximum for 120. They are paying only the market value, but if the market value in any by any chance, if the market value exceed the insured value, then you will be given only the insured value. So insurance company confirms their security first. Okay. Right. Please write this, everybody. Make a This is a very good note. Okay. One is asking, sir, if there was contribution, wouldn't that be 2? They give compensation according to the ratio. So such would make the insured can, yeah. Even if the real, I mean, if the asset has been insured in various insurance companies, so all these companies are compensating together, which is equivalent to the damage, not more than the damage. If damage is 100 and you have insured the asset in 5 insurance companies, all these 5 will be paid you only the 100, only the damage, not the profit. You can't have a profit. That's called contribution. Once you finish writing this, please raise your hand. We have to go for the next question. Or leave in Nepal. Abhi. Allag ni mo. Tapos daw sa 3. Okay, let's go for next. So does that mean if we paid like 100 and the damage is higher, we will only receive the insured amount and the rest of the expenses for us, right? Definitely. We have to bear. Insurance companies will never pay us more than we paid them. Otherwise, they can have, I mean, that is not applicable for life insurance, right? In life insurance, they have to pay sometimes more than we paid them back. So, if so, the market value is lesser than the insured value, then we'll only be given the market value, regardless of insured value being higher. Yeah, we are giving only the market value. That means they are always thinking about their profit. Assume that when you're purchasing that asset that was 100, then you issued for 120. But gradually after a few more years, the market value has been decreased of the asset. Vehicles are usually happening like that, but not these days. Or usually, if the market value of the vehicle is 80 or something, you'll be given only 80. It doesn't matter whether you paid 120 or 130. They always think about their security, right? Good. I'm very happy to ask in these questions, you guys. I would really like to have this. Okay, let's go for next. Fine. Briefly explain how the compensation will be given for underinsurance and underinsurance or full or partial loss. Okay. දැන් උත්තර ලියා ගන්නකෝ අපි දැන් තියරි කෙනෙක් ඉගෙන ගත්තේනේ. මේ answer එක ලියා ගන්නකෝ. This is the answer. මේ බලන්න. Paying compensation on underinsurance when a partial loss incurred. The compensation will pay based on the ratio between the real value of property and the insured value of the property. When there is a full loss, the amount mentioned in the policy will be paid fully. Paying compensation on overinsurance. If any partial loss incurred, the whole loss will be paid. Again, partial loss 20 and 20 में देना. as a company. If the full loss incurred, the market value of the property will be paid off. If here the market value is exceed insured value, the paid payment of insurance restricted to the insured value. තේරුණා නේද? හරි මේක ලියා ගන්න. ටක් ගාලා මේක ලියා ගන්න. එක්කෙනෙක් left වෙලා තියෙනවා ඔන්න එක හාවෙක්. ස්ටැමිනා නේ දරාගෙන. Some students think that watching this video on a sofa or somewhere by having a cup of coffee is very difficult. Right, so I'm recording this video right now live with you at Malabi studio. Right, today morning I came from Kandy by driving by myself. Right, driver is not there today. I came by myself. Suddenly met some faults in the car and a lot of things happened. But still, I managed. Don't worry. Even after this class, I have some recordings also. So if you believe that you are a hard worker, just dial me. I'll tell you my schedule. Right, I'm working usually 15 to 18 hours in every single day. Fine. So it's all about life, right? So this is a selected life, so we have to go through that. So if you're expecting a comfortable life, it's very difficult. You need to have something else. Okay, fine. Someone is asking to show the fourth A part. Okay, after finishing this, I will show you. ඔයාලා මේක ලියන් ඉවර නම් අතුස්සන්න බලන්න. ඔව් ස්ක්‍රීන්ෂොට් එකක් ගත්තා නම් ඒත් අතුස්සන්න. You can write this later නේ. නෝට් ලියන්න වෙලා නැත්නම් අතුස්සන්න. You can write this later. Okay, the easiest way is having the screenshot නේ. හැබැයි ලියන්න ඕනේ. ගුටි දෙනවා ලියුව නැත්නම් එනවා. Screenshot exam එකට යවන්න බෑනේ. 4A මේක නේද පුතා? 4A. Okay. Right, first question is over. It's a good one. That's why it took a time. පොඩි වෙලාවක් ගිය එක හොඳ එකක්. We covered chapter 7 and 8 both. Now let's go for the next question. Fifth one තියෙනවානේ. Briefly describe the difference between insurance agreement and insurance policy. Agreement කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? The document signed by the insurance company and the insured. ඒක තමයි agreement. Policy කියන්නේ after signing the agreement, they will accept to insure your property. ඒකල ඔයාට දෙනවා එයාලගේ policy එක. Policy දුන්නාම මොකද? You can prove that you have a policy in that particular insurance company. එහෙනම් agreement sign කරන කවුද? Both insured and insurer. Right, after signing the agreement, insurance company gives you a document. It states that the insured amount, insurance contract, validity period, your details, agreement of the contract, everything is there. That's called the policy. Right? Policy issued by the company to the client. Insurer to the insured. It's a good one, nah? Right? The contract between insurer and insured is called the insurance agreement. It is the written agreement between the insurer and insured, which is arrived at after the insurance acceptance of the application. This is prepared by the insured and provide as suggested document to insurer for the acceptance. Insurance policy means the document which is issued by the insurance company to the insured, detailing the terms and conditions of the insurance agreement. Right, tag ගන්න මේක ලියා ගන්න. නැත්නම් screenshot එකක් ගහන්න මට message එකක් දාන්න. Right, let's go for next. You're right, eh? Next one, last one, right? දවසේ කරන වෙයි මේ වෙලාවේ දැනට එක. State the benefits of reinsurance and reinsurance to insurance companies and insured separately. What is reinsurance ළමයි? Reinsurance කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේ බලන්න. Simple. Reinsuring a thing like that. මෙන්න මේ concepts මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්න චුට්ටක්. දැනගත්තොත් හොඳයි නේ ඔයාලට. දැන් additional කතාවක් මේක වෙන වැඩක්. ඒකත් දැනගන්න ඔයාලා මේක. හොඳයි නේ දැනගන්න එක. There are three concepts in insurance that all of you should know. One is reinsurance. Number two, dual insurance. Next one, underwriting. Underwriting. Three concepts are there. Right, underwriting. Reinsurance කියන්නේ මෙහෙම දෙයක්. Now this is the insurance company. I would write insured. No, insurer. So this is you. You are insuring your. අයියෝ පොඩ්ඩක් කැතවා. කොහොම මගේ චිත්‍ර නම් කැතයිලා. මම කරේ music කරේ නැහැ මම dancing කරේ. So I can't sing either, right? So this is insured assets. He insured this asset in this insurance company. So insurance company reinsure the same asset in another insurance company. මේක වඩා කරන්නේ foreign company එකක්. මේ තමයි reinsurer කියලා කියන්නේ. Reinsurer. Reinsurer. So this is the insured asset of the insured. කාගේ හරි වාහනයක් මේ. මෙයාගේ කියලා ගන්නකො. ඒ තමයි insured. So he should pay some premium for protecting his vehicle. So insurance company should pay premium කියවෙන්නේ නැහැ. Pay premium to the reinsurance company. Insurance company should pay premiums to the reinsurance company, not you. ඔයා ගෙවන්න ඕනේ, right? Insured should not pay for the reinsurer. Insured should pay only for the insurer. Insurer should pay to the reinsurer. That's called reinsurance. ඒක හොඳයි මේ දෙන්නටම හොඳයි. මෙයාටත් හොඳයිනේ. ඔක්කොම ගන්න මෙයා දැන් if the asset got damaged, he should not pay the entire loss. Reinsurer will pay some amount of portion of that. එනිසා මෙයාට ඒක හොඳයි. මෙයාට මොකක්ද තියෙන හොඳේ? දෙන්න එකතුලා මට ගෙවනවා. මට කවුරු ගෙවුවත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මගේ ගාණ හම්බ වෙනවනේ. හැබැයි මෙයාට විතරක් ගෙවුවොත් එයා loss වුණොත් මටත් upset වෙනවනේ. දැන් දෙන්නම ගෙවන නිසා මටත් පොඩි safety එකක් තියෙනවා. That is reinsurance. Dual insurance is like this. Now this is you and this is your car. This is of course you. මේ තමයි ඔයා insured. ඔයා මොකද කරන්නේ? ඔයාගේ asset වල ආදරේ නිසා ඔයා insurance company keep එක මේ asset එක insure කරනවා. This is insurer A, insurer B, insurer C. Right? This is called dual insurance. 2 or more insurance companies. Make 100 nang asset එකේ value. ඒක වට පුළුවන් එකේ value වලට මේක 120 or 100 or 80 එහෙම පුළුවන්. එහෙම insurance කරන්න පුළුවන්. But if something happens, අපිට damage එකක් වෙනවා කියලා 40 වගේ. 40 නම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙයා කීයක් ගෙවන්න ඕනද? If the damage is 40, එකත් කියලා දෙන්නම්කෝ. If the damage is 40, කොහොමද සල්ලි හම්බ වෙන්නේ? Total කීයද? 120, 220, 300. ඔක්කොම 300 නේ. Total 300 නම් ඒ කීයක් ගෙවන්න ඕනද? 300 වලින් 120 නම් 40 වලින් 40 කියන්නේ කීයද? කීයද? 16, I guess. Yeah, 16 වගේ ගෙවන්න ඕන. 16, isn't it? මෙයා කොහොමද? Total 300 නම් එයා ගාව 100 නේ. එහෙනම් 40 වලට කියන්නේ කීයද? 40 divided by 3 බෙදෙන්නේ නැද්ද? 40 වලින් 1/3. Third. බලලා ගන්නකො ඒක කීයද කියලා. 3.3 වගේනේ. ගෙවන්න ඕන. මෙයා total 300 වුණාට එයා ගාව ඉන්ෂුරන්ස් කරේ 80 විතරයිනේ. එහෙනම් damage එක 40 නම් එයා කීයද ගෙවන්න ඕන? නෑ මෙතන 3.3 නෙවෙයි ළමයි මොනවද මම ලියලා තියෙන්නේ? .3 වගේනේ. 13 කියන්නේ මෙතන කීයද? 80 divided by 300 into 40. එතන එයා කියවන්නේ 10 වගේනේ. 11 කියමු. 10.6 means 11 නේ. And altogether 16 plus 13 කියන්නේ 29, 20 plus 29 plus 7 can 40. Right? Can you have 40 from him, 40 from him, and 40 from him? No. 120 kan, man. That is called dual insurance. Yeah. Underwriting can මොකක්ද? මෙහෙම දෙයක්. Some large valued assets are there. What is this? What is this, Laman? Is it a birthday cake? No, it's a ship. Don't bully with my drawings. Right? This is the ship. So this is a large valued asset. ගොඩාක් වටින asset එකක්. මේ ලොකු asset එකක්. No any insured agrees to get. No any insurer agrees to insure at once. ඒතු මේක දැන් හිතන්න මේක වටිනවා කෝටි 40ක් විතර hull එක. Sometimes cargo මේක තියෙන බඩු ටික වටිනවා 30ක් විතර කෝටි cargo. එවනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ දන්නවද? Underwriting means if there is a large asset, right? If the large highly valued asset dividing into two, කොටස් දෙකට කඩනවා. Hull separately and cargo separately. The hull insures in insurance company A and cargo insures in insurance company B. Right? And I'm going to make a meaning here. A highly valued asset insured separately in various insurance companies. So these two have no relationship. Never damage, you know. Hull has already damaged, but not the cargo. You know, මෙයා තමයි සල්ලි ගෙවන්න ඕනේ, මෙයා කීයක්වත් ගෙවන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Or due to any rapids or something, cargo has damaged, but not the hull. එවනම් damage එක ගෙවන්න ඕනේ only B. That's called underwriting. මේ චුට්ටක් ලියා ගන්නකෝ. ඇඳගත්තොත් ඔයාලට තේරෙනවා මේ scene එක මොකක්ද කියලා. Okay, finished? Right. Let's go for next. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Right? Doubts in your hand. Can you explain the underwriting again? Underwriting means a highly valued asset divided into various parts, and each part insures separately in various insurance companies. Correct. That's called underwriting. Okay, now let's go with the answers. Question is, state the benefits of reinsurance with insurance companies and insured separately. Benefit balan. Ini ලස්සන උත්තරයක්. මේක ටග් ගාලා ලියාගෙන නැත්නම් ස්ක්‍රීන්ෂොට් එකක් ගන්න. ඉස්සෙල්ලා කතා කරලා එමු. පස්සේ ස්ක්‍රීන්ෂොට් එකක් ගන්න. To insurance company, the large risk which have been obtained by insurance companies can be transferred to another company. Reinsurance is helpful for the continuous existence of insurance companies. Oh, risk can increase the undertaking of large risk. Insured අපිට මොකක්ද තියෙනවා ආසිය? Assurance of receiving the compensation. Right? By reinsurance, one's own liability can be shifted among many companies, and by that, the premium that is charged by each insurance company can be maintained at low level. They will be able to have a better service plus bonus and other services. Okay. Right, that's all. Next question එක ඔයාලා කරලා තියන්න. අපි මේක discuss කරමු. Right, ඔයාලා මේක marking scheme එකත් මම WhatsApp කරන්න කියන්නම්. Then we can discuss this. Hari. Right, try to do some past papers also. Right, we can fastly moving because we are having few more weeks remaining. By any chance, I'm very careful of using these words. By any chance, if the exam gets postponed, but still keep in touch with us. Right? We are not asking for any payments, but we will teach you even until the last moment. All right? Okay then, good luck. Good night. Study hard.